be back with another video. In today's video, me and my brother are gonna be playing a game called Math Pong. Check out the little setup that we made. These are the instructions.
Alright, these are the instructions of the game Math Pong. As you can see right here, there's a cup with little balled up pieces of paper, but in those papers, there are pluses and minuses. We're going to be doing addition and subtraction. So this is how they play the game. They will stand back, probably about like 5 feet back. They will shoot the ball into the cup. You understand? Like right there. And they shoot the ball inside the cup. Just like that. Okay, he made it 8. Shoot again, shoot. Yeah, they got 3 balls. He made it 8. Shoot again. He made another 8. So after that, he comes right here, picks out of the cup. Take a piece of paper out of there. That's a piece of paper?
Yep.
Unfold it. So as you can see, that piece of paper has 2 pluses on it. So come to the board. You're gonna write 8 plus 8. You're gonna write 8 plus 8.
8
plus 8. And then equals
16.
Equals 16, yeah. And then you're gonna do, or 16. And then you're gonna do another 8 plus 8. And then you're gonna do 16 plus 16. That is how this game goes. And once they get that down, hold on, let me write it for you. I don't want to hear you thinking too quick. 16. The game is gonna go like this. Now some of them has 1 plus, some has 2. Just like this equation does. One thing I forgot to mention, if they don't make any of the prongs, that the equation still stands. So if they have nothing, they still reaching the cup, a plus or a minus, and 0 plus 0 or 0 minus 0, everything comes. All right, Jetski is gonna be going first. All right, you ready, Juju? All right, let's get it. All right, go ahead. Oh, 9. Oh. Let's get it. Go to the cup.
It's not peeking.
I'm giving 1. Can I see what it is?
They're tiny too.
1 or minus.
All right, fold it back up, put it in a cup, and write the equation down on the paper.
Okay.
You mean the board?
And let's see if you get it right. Let's go.
It's a 9.
9 minus 0 equals. And we're going to let the subscribers see if this is right. So, you know what I'm saying? If y'all think this is right, give this video a like if this is right. You think it's right?
Yeah, it is right.
Let's get it. Your turn. Yeah. All right, it is Naya's turn, aka Nizzy. All right, you ready? All right, go ahead. Your turn. Oh, whoa. Uh-oh.
Hit 1 something.
Ooh, let's go to the cup. Let's go to the cup. Wait, where the cup at? Oh, go ahead. Shake it up. Go ahead.
8. Look my way. 8.
Shake it. Hang on. Go ahead. Keep going out. And let's see what you got.
Please get it. Minus.
All right, let's see what you do. All right, go ahead. 5.
5
minus
0
equals that's the plus sign. You is it. I know what you tried to write. It's okay. You learned it. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Equal sign.
It's like a square.
Equals.
Another one.
Yep. All right.
Equals
5 minus 0 equals what?
5.
All right. We're gonna let the subscribers see.
It's always correct. For some reason, it's always correct.
Yeah.
All right. It's your Jetski turn. Let's see what he do. Ooh. Like Shaq at the free throw. Oh. Well, let's go to the cup. Go to the cup.
I'm looking at you guys. What is it? Minus.
Nope, that's the one Nyny just had, actually. Because it's still unfolded. Go ahead.
What is this one?
What is this?
Plus time?
No, that's a plus.
Oh, it's a plus.
It's a plus.
Looks like
Mosquito
an
right
X.
there. Good.
Okay, so guys,
Is this right? No, there's no.
0 plus 0 equals 0.
We'll see. You never know. 0 plus 0 might be 2. Because there's 2 zeros right there. I don't know.
It's
Is it
actually
right?
0.
All right. Nyny's papayas. It's your turn, man. Let's get it.
Make a 5 and 3.
Oh, nice. Oh, we made it 2. Wow. Let me get a lot of math. 9, 2, and 3. Remember. All right, another cup right here. Go in this cup. Remember your numbers. 9, 2, and 3.
9, 2.
In that order. That was good, nice.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You got a nice shot. Let's see what he got.
9.
Oh, he got a plus. All right, let's go to the, what you call it? So 9. 9 plus 2.
Plus
2
2.
plus,
Plus
yep, plus 3
3.
equals what? I'll give you some time to think. I'll give you some time to think. You got these numbers.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14!
Write it down. All right, subscribers, let us know, is this right? This is coming from a 7-year-old.
9,
Give me
10,
some dap on that, Nyny.
11,
Give me some dap.
12,
That's what's up.
13, 14.
But we're gonna let the subscribers, you know what I'm saying? We gotta make sure they understand this math too. So yeah.
It's right! Wait.
All right, we're back on Jetski. Oh yeah, go ahead. You can erase it. Go ahead.
Yeah, we forgot
I don't want
about
to erase this
erasing.
stuff right quick.
Yeah, I forgot.
Interfering with Jetski. It's okay. You done?
Bows.
All right, let's get it. All right, so we got Jetski right here. He finna go ahead and do his thing. Go ahead, do your thing, man. Oh, 9. Oh! I guess playing basketball every morning kind of working. All right, let's see what we got in here.
Okay.
No, not in there.
Oh yeah.
What numbers you made in again?
9,
9 and 1.
9 and 1. All right, let's see what they say.
10.
Minus.
It's
Minus.
10.
All right, let's go to the board.
Probably 12.
Go to the board.
It's 12.
9
9
minus 1
equals what?
equals,
21.
let's see. 9, take away 1 is 8.
Well, let's see. Everybody don't know that.
And
You know.
if you do 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2.
Yeah. Hey, back and forth with it. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Last but not least, we got Nice. Let's go. Do your thing.
Hashtag my brother.
Hey, that's 5.
Hashtag 5. Hashtag 0. Hashtag
Oh,
0.
okay. Let's go to the cup.
Go to the cup. Go to the big cup.
5.
Go to the big cup.
Let's go to the cup.
I'm scaring myself. It's a plus. I see it. 2 pluses.
2 pluses.
So what were your numbers?
So it's gonna be 5 plus 0 equals
5 plus 0
Yep, equals what?
equals
No, that's the plus sign. Equal signs is 2 straight lines. Erase that.
I messed up on it.
It's okay. It's okay. Equals what?
Equals 5 because
Yeah, alright, write it down. And then you're gonna do another one. Another 5 plus 0 equals,
5.
write it again. You got 2 pluses to do. equals what? 5. No, you gotta write a 5. I know what you're trying to write, but you ain't there yet. You right, so put a 5.
I'm a kind of
All
bad
right.
runner.
And now you gotta do 5 plus 5 is what?
Equals 5.
No, the top 5. Hold on, let me write it down for you. Watch out like this. Plus sign. Do it like that. So now what it is? 5 plus 5 equals
10.
ooh.
1, 0.
All right, so we gonna let the subscribers see is this right.
Is
Let
it
us know.
right, guys? It is right.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys want me and my brother to do a part 2 of this with more people in it, make sure you guys get this video to how much likes do you want this video to go to, Nyny?
21.
I think we can try to go to 15.
15. Let's try to get
For part
15.
2.
Keep going up, pulling over, feel like I'm driving,